Roy Gabs. I'm Cadet Roma.
I'm Cadet Parilla. Cadet Mausay. Cadet Martinez.
In this video, we will show you on how to plot the true wind direction.
A few moments later.
Hello guys, before we proceed, these are the following materials that are needed for plotting.
So first, we have to plot our heading. So what we have is 0.25 degrees. So 0.25 degrees is over here. And it says 12.5 knots. So next, by using this compass divider, I have a scales right here. So I am using 2:1 for 12.5 knots. Alright, so over here this is your 0.25 degrees with a speed of 12.5 knots. Next is get a calculator to get the direction of apparent wind. Alright, so 360 degrees plus 0.25, which is our heading, and less of 30 degrees apparent. So we have 355 degrees. Okay, so 355 is located here. With the speed of 20 knots. Okay, so get a divider again and locate the 20 knots. Right here. Okay, so we have now the apparent direction of 355 degrees with a speed of 20 knots. Okay, so what we are going to do next is we will connect the point from this point to this point. Okay, so we have now the true wind. In order for us to know the direction of the true wind, just drag the triangle roller in slowly over here. And create a new line for the direction of the true wind. Next is measure the first line using the compass divider and put it down over the scale to get the knots. When you are done getting the knots into the scale, bring the compass divider again on the second line. Okay, done. So as we notice, we already get the direction of true wind, which is northwest, and 11 knots of speed.
So guys, I think that could be all. So thank you for your time to watch this video, and I hope you got the idea on how to plot the true wind direction.
And don't forget to like, comment, and share.
Please subscribe the Rook Up Roy Cabrera.
Thank you for watching, guys.